how to add money to Steam wallet with debit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to add money to your Steam wallet with a debit card. So for that, all you have to do is just open your Steam account in your web browser, or you can also do the same step in your Steam application. And so once you are logged into your account, you just have to click on the three dot icon from the top left corner of your mobile screen, and here just tap on the username of your account. And here on the top right hand side of your screen, you will see your profile icon, so just tap on it, and here just locate the account details and tap on the username right here. And now on this page, under the store and purchase history, you will see the option called add funds to your Steam wallet. So you just have to click on the blue link, and now it will redirect you to the page where you can see the funds rate with the amount written right there. So you can go ahead and select any amount that you want to add to your Steam wallet. So for example, you want to add the first one, so just click on the green tab right beside the amount and the fund that has been written over here. So just click on add funds, and now just log into your account if you haven't already. And now on this page, you have to mention your payment method. So just click on the drop down menu and select the debit card. And after that, you have to enter your billing information like your first name, your last name, your billing address, the city that you are residing in, and the state that you're from, and the zip and postal code, and the country that you're currently living in. And after that, just click on continue. And on the next page, you have to mention your card details like your card number, CVC code, and expiry date. And once you are done entering your debit card detail, just click on confirm, and then the fund will be added to your Steam wallet. So this is basically how you will be able to add money in your Steam wallet with your debit card. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.